guys, welcome back to my channel Riktika'z tutorial. So you already know today's video topic. Yes, today's video is based on permanent hair remove. Today I am sharing with you a product that will definitely help you to reduce your problems. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and you will get notification of all my videos. So let's start without wasting time. So the product that I will share with you today is natural hair inhibitor from Neud. Today's products will permanently reduce the unwanted hair on your body with a very easy trick. This is a lotion that you need to use regularly to solve the problem of unwanted hair. In this video, I will show you how to use it, and this product is priced at 1499 and you can get it on any website like Amazon, Flipkart. I'm using it and I really like it, so I'm sharing with you. If you want to take it, then I will give the link of the product below. So let's take a look at the process of its use.
So guys, first of all you need to glide your body using your hair removal cream or razor, whichever you like, and then you apply lotion to your body. It is a cream that will stop hair growth and you will get a hair-free body. You have used it more than 7 to 8 times for best result and you will get a soft and radiant skin.
You have seen how to use. If you want to order, then go to the link below. So see you again in another video.